Good morning. In the previous lecture, we talked about linear dependence and independence of vectors. Let us try to solve a problem on this article. This is the problem that we want to solve. Examine This is the problem. Let me read it. Examine the following vectors for linear dependence and find a relation if it exists. And we are provided with four vectors: x1, 1, 2, 4, x2 2, minus 1, 3, x3 0, 1, 2, x4 minus 3, 7, 2. We have to solve this problem. Let us try to solve this problem and see whether these vectors are linearly dependent on each other. For this, what we do? Let us write the vectors in matrix form. Lambda 1 x1 plus lambda 2 x2 plus lambda 3 x3 plus lambda 4 x4 is equal to 0, equation 1. Let us write these vectors in matrix form. lambda 1 x1 plus lambda 2 x2 plus lambda 3 x3 plus lambda 4 x4 is equal to 0. This equation is similar to the equations we taught in the earlier lecture. C1 A1 plus C2 A2 plus C3 A3 plus C4 A4 is equal to 0. C1, C2, C3, C4 etc. are non-zero scalar constants. A1, A2, A3, A4 etc. are the vectors. Lambda 1, lambda 2, lambda 3, lambda 4 are the non-zero scalar constants. X1, X2, X3, X4 are the vectors. This is the equation. If X1, X2, X3, X4 are linearly dependent vectors. Let us substitute values of X1, X2, X3, X4 from the problem. So, equation 1 will become lambda 1 into 1, 2, 4 plus lambda 2 into x2 is 2, minus 1, 3 plus lambda 3 into x3 is 0, 1, 2 plus lambda 4 into x4 is minus 3, 7, 2 is equal to 0. This equation can further be determined. Lambda 1 into 1, lambda 1. Lambda 2 into 2 plus 2, lambda 2. Lambda 3 into 0 plus 0, lambda 3. Lambda 4 into minus 3 minus 3 lambda 4 is equal to 0. As this is 0 lambda 3, you can take away this term because 0 multiplied by anything is 0. So you can simply wipe out this term and the equation will be this one only. Right? Then lambda 1 into 2, 2 lambda 1. Lambda 2 into minus 1 minus lambda 2. Lambda 3 into 1 plus lambda 3. Lambda 4 into 7 plus 7 lambda 4 is equal to 0. Then lambda 1 into 4, 4 lambda 1. Lambda 2 into 3 plus 3 lambda 2. Lambda 3 into 2 plus 2 lambda 3. Lambda 4 into 2 plus 2 lambda 4 is equal to 0. We may write this as equation number 2. Let us have a close look in equation 2. We will find that equation 2 is a system, homogeneous system of equations. Expression 2 is homogeneous system of expressions. Now, this homogeneous system of equations can be written this way. A lambda is equal to 0 in matrix notation. If I put homogeneous system of equations 2 in this form, equation 2 can be written as This homogeneous system of equations is written in matrix notation. A lambda is equal to 0. A lambda is equal to 0. Let us apply linear transformations to matrix A. Let us consider this as matrix A, which is 3 by 4 matrix. 3 rows are there, 4 columns are there. So it will be 3 by 4 matrix. Let us apply linear transformations to this 3 by 4 matrix. First, let me make this element 0, this element 0. For this, what I have to do? R3 minus 2R2 and then R2 minus 2R1. If we apply these linear transformations, equation 3 will become 1, 2, 0, minus 3. R2 minus 2 R2. 2 minus 2, 0. Minus 1 minus 4, minus 5. Minus 1, 2 times of R1 is to be subtracted. Minus 1 minus 4, minus 5. It will be 1 minus 0, 1. It will be 7. 3 2s are 6, minus 6, minus of minus, plus 7 plus 6, 13. Let us come to this one. R3 minus 2 R2, 4 minus 4, 0. 3 minus of minus 2, that will be 5. 2 minus 2, 0. 2 minus 14 minus 12. Lambda 1, lambda 2, lambda 3. This is equal to 0, 0, 0. Let us try to make this 0. To make this 0, what I have to do? R3 minus R2, and we will have here 1, 2, 0, minus 3, 0, minus 5, 1, 13, 0, minus 5 plus 5, 0, 0 minus 1, minus 1, minus 12, minus 13, that will be minus 25. Equation number 4. Now, let us write the system of homogeneous equations. First equation will be lambda 1 plus 2 lambda 2 minus 3 lambda 3 is equal to 0. Second equation will be minus 5 lambda 2 plus lambda 3 plus 13 lambda 4 is equal to 0. This is lambda 4. And last one is minus lambda 3 minus 25 lambda 4 is equal to 0. Now let us consider lambda 4 is equal to t. Substitute this in this equation. So it will be minus lambda 3 minus 25t or minus lambda 3 is equal to 25t or lambda 3 is equal to minus 25t. Equation number 5. Let us come to this equation. Place value of lambda 3, lambda 4 and lambda 3 from equations 5 and 6 into this equation. If we do this, this equation will now become minus 5 lambda 2, lambda 3 is minus 25t, lambda 4 is plus 13t is equal to 0. Lambda 4 is considered as t, lambda 3 is minus 25t. So for this lambda 4 we shall put t, for this lambda 3 we shall put minus 25t. And so what will be this? Minus 5 lambda 2 minus 25t plus 13t, that will be minus 12t is equal to 0. Or minus 5 lambda 2 is equal to 12t. Or lambda 2 is equal to minus 12 divided by 5t. Equation number 7. We got value of lambda 4, value of lambda 3, value of lambda 2. Now we need to find value of lambda 1. So lambda 1 plus 2 lambda 2. Lambda 2 is this, minus 24 divided by 5t minus 3 lambda 4. And what is lambda 4? T is equal to 0. This is for the lambda 1 minus 5 3s are 15. Lambda 2 is minus, okay. Lambda 4 is plus, okay. 5 3s are 15, and so it will be 39t divided by 5. Equation number 8. So lambda 1 is my it will become plus when it is sent to this side. Addition of these two is performed, that is minus 39t divided by 5. When it is transferred to this side, we will have lambda 1 is equal to 39 divided by 5 into 2, equation 8. Now, let us substitute values of lambda 1, lambda 2, lambda 3 and lambda 4 into the equation lambda 1 x1 plus lambda 2 x2 plus lambda 3 x3 plus lambda 4 x4. to get 39t divided by 5 into x1 minus 12t divided by 5 into x2 minus 25t into x3 plus t x4 is equal to 0. Let us take this 5 common. So it will be 39t x1 minus 12t x2 minus 125t x3 plus 5t x4 is equal to 0. 5 is taken common from here, it is taken common from here, it is also taken common from here. 125 divided by 5, that will be minus 25. And this 5 is sent to this side. Then take this t common, sent to other side to get 39x1 minus 12x2 minus 125x3 plus 5x4 is equal to 0. Equation number 9. x1 39x1 minus 12x2 minus 125x3 plus 5x4 is equal to 0. It is just similar to C1A1 plus C2A2 plus C3A3 plus C4A4 is equal to 0. It means that vectors x1, x2, x3, x4 are linearly dependent vectors, and the relation which exists between them is this one. This is about one problem on linear dependence and independence of the vectors. Let us go for one more problem. It is not necessary when you solve you may get this equation. The linear transformation may be performed differently, and as you perform the linear transformations you may get other equation also. So here the vectors x1, x2, x3, x4 are linearly dependent vectors. Let us see what happens in the next problem. Next problem is same statement. Simply we have to see here whether the vectors are linearly dependent, and vectors given are So examine the following vectors for linear dependence and find relation if it exists. Vectors given are x1 is 2, 2, 1, x2 is 1, 3, 1, x3 is 1, 2, 2. Let us apply the same procedure that we have used in the earlier article and see. So let us write this in vector form. It is for the it is in vector notation. A lambda is equal to 0. This will be for the 2 lambda 1 plus lambda 2 plus lambda 3 is equal to 0. 2 lambda 1 plus 3 lambda 2 plus 2 lambda 3 is equal to 0. Finally, lambda 1 plus lambda 2 plus 2 lambda 3 is equal to 0. Homogeneous system of linear equations. Let us write this in the matrix notation, and that will be 2, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 1, 2. Two lambda 1, 3 lambda 2, 2 lambda 3. Okay. Let us apply the linear transformations. Meaning of this: interchange rows third and first to give 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 2, 2, 2, 1. Lambda 1, lambda 2, lambda 3, 0, 0, 0. Now let us apply this transformation R2, R3 minus R2, first one. Second one, R2 minus 2 R1. After applying these transformations, what we will have here? 1, 1, 2. R2 minus 2 R1. 2 minus 2, 0. 3 minus 2, 1. 2 minus 4, minus 2. 2 minus 2, 1 minus 2 minus 1. Now, let me go for next transformation. And what is next transformation is R3 plus R2. And we will get this is for the return as now let us consider this equation first. Minus 3 can be sent to this side. So we will have lambda 3 is equal to 0. Let us put this value of lambda 3 in this equation. So lambda 2 minus 2 into 0 is equal to 0. Minus 2 into 0 is 0. Lambda 2 minus 0 is equal to 0 is nothing but lambda 2 is equal to 0. Then let us substitute value of lambda 3, value of lambda 2 in this equation to get value of lambda 1. Let me write it here. Lambda 1. What is lambda 2 from 2 star? 0 plus 2. Lambda 3 is 0 is equal to 0. That is lambda 1 plus 0. 2 into 0 is 0. Lambda 1 plus 0 plus 0 is equal to 0. That is lambda 1 is equal to 0. See equation single star, equation double star, equation triple star. Let us put the values of lambda 1 from this equation, lambda 2 from this equation, lambda 3 from this equation into the equation lambda 1 x1 plus lambda 2 x2 plus lambda 3 x3. 0 into x1 plus 0 into x2 plus 0 into x3 is equal to 0. What is the meaning of this? First scalar constant is 0. Second scalar constant is 0. Third scalar constant is also 0. What does this mean? If the scalar constants are 0, if the scalar constants are 0, vectors x1, x2, x3 are linearly independent of each other. In this problem, the vectors are independent of each other as the scalar constants are 0. In the earlier problem, the scalar constants were not 0, they were non-zero, and therefore the vectors x1, x2, x3, x4 were linearly dependent on each other. So this is about problems on linear dependence and independence of vectors. You may try more problems. Try to make practice of calculations. In the flow of writing, sometimes we make mistakes while solving the problems. To minimize the mistakes, we need to practice more and more. So, do more practice, try to solve more and more problems on linear dependence and independence of vectors. Here, as a sample, I have taken 2 problems on linear dependence and independence of vectors. Hope you got it. Thank you.